Hey everyone, welcome to Nailmas Day 18, and let's just get right into things. So for this design, you want to start with kind of like a nighttime-y sky base, and I used two Defy and Inspire polishes to create this look. I used Ship Happens and Surf Shop on top of it. Great combo, and I'm gonna have a video on that soon. But after I have that on, I'm just taking some white and putting in some like snow. It does not have to be precise whatsoever. You kind of want it wavy to be more accurate. And now after that, it is time to put in our Christmas tree. So what I found is if I put a kind of like a green trunk down the middle of my nail, it is easier to actually build upon the tree. So that is what I've done, and now I'm just gonna go outwards with the branches. Now while the branches are drying, I'm actually going to go in with some white acrylic paint and put in some like little star-like shapes with some little dots to give the like starry night slash snow effect. And after I'm done with that, I kind of accidentally forgot to have the camera on, but after this little part, I'm going to decorate the tree. However, for the first part, I'm really just gonna dot in some yellow dots to kind of give it a Christmas light glow, which I know you really wouldn't have in the middle of the woods. But then I'm also going to add a yellow star and put on some kind of tinsel, and for the tinsel I am using golden acrylic paint. And now that that is done, it is time to put in some red ornaments. Once you have as many red ornaments as you want, it is time to put on your favorite top coat and you are ready to go. That is how you create this Christmas tree look. On the other nails, I literally just did the tree and added a little bit of snow. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed Nailmas Day 18, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow for another new video. Bye!